शहरियत तरमीमी बिल पर एहतजाज करते हुए कांग्रेस के सीनियर लीडर शशि थरूर ने कहा कि इससे आईन का बुनियादी उसूल कमतर होता है।
He is almost certain to oppose significant portions of it. Speaking for myself, and I'm not a party spokesman, I think the bill is fundamentally unconstitutional because the basic idea of India is violated in this bill. Our nationalist movement divided on the very question, should religion be a determinant of nationhood? Those who believe that religion should determine nationhood, that was the idea of Pakistan, they created Pakistan. We have always argued that our nationalist movement, Mahatma Gandhi, Nehruji, Maulana Azad, Dr. Ambedkar, everyone said religion cannot determine nationhood. Ours is a country for everybody. Everybody, irrespective of religion, has equal rights in this country. And they wrote a constitution reflecting that. Today, this bill undermines that fundamental tenet of the constitution. And for that reason, I personally am strongly opposed to it, for that reason alone.
MIM सरबराह असदुद्दीन ओवैसी ने